Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Caddy Girl Garage. So I'm just pulling in right now to a shop that did my carburetor on Big Blue. When I had it, I was very happy with it. They've been in business for many years here in town, but there's a Cadillac here. So I will give you guys a look at that while we're waiting. I believe I'm here. I know I'm here before opening a few minutes, but gonna get a new carburetor, put on the Blazer today, new Edelbrock. The Quadrajet that's on here is not running well at all. We always call them a Quadrajunk because they are just that, they're junk. But I will give you guys a look at this while we wait pretty soon. Definitely not my style wheels, but to each their own. Pretty sweet Cadillac otherwise. All right, I'll be with you guys in a second. Thanks for joining the video. Well, the rain definitely caught us, but thank you, Big Boys Toys, for a nice new carburetor. There's the old Quadrajunk. Kind of stinks. I gotta get it out of the truck. It smells like gas, obviously. But anyway, runs great. Super happy. I'll show you guys at a later date. I gotta get home right now, but it is pouring, so we're heading back. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Have a blessed day.